Okay, I'm gonna basically, first nightclub, recap right now. I'm not really gonna move times to this one, but I'm gonna mark out our opens and try to comprehend what happened today. So, initial opening, 9:30 right here. Um, High and low. Of course, I'm gonna adjust standard deviations from this high and this low. And I'm pretty sure, which one did you use, Kashi? Because I know we both use different standard deviations. I think I was more keen on using this one, but
Yeah, bro.
alright.
Yeah, hold on.
So, okay. So, overview of my initial analysis going into the day. This is the first thing my eyes drawn towards. We did not get an SMT. We ran up this high for value gap right here, and if we failed and we continue pushing up higher, since we were tapping into the new week opening gap before, we kept drawing to this, which this was my draw after we ran it out. As you can see, we kind of ran it out and started pushing lower immediately after we shifted market structure and change in state of delivery. Shifted market structure, we immediately start going down towards this new week opening gap, which we have this wick low right here for the midnight open. Our midnight open was up here. We wick lower, came up, ran out this high. I'm not sure if there was a devil's mark. Was there? Hold up. From the open? No, there was no devil's mark. Okay. So, there wasn't any type of draw on liquidity higher other than just that run of that high. So, 9:30, shoot up. I guess you can call this a Judas swing if you want to. Is a false run up higher. We start pushing lower, pushing lower, pushing lower. Inside of our second standard deviation. Oh, shoot. Inside of our second standard deviation, we retraced, and since we tapped into this retraceable zone, we would be anticipating a return into discount, but we tapped into, I'm pretty sure, 6-2 over OTE range. I'll see that real quick. And we also had this little mitigation block with a fair value gap, which, yeah, mitigation block with a fair value gap that we tapped into, and 6-2 tapped perfectly. What else do we have here? I'm trying to look for anything that could have given us a good entry. Fearing just came in here. His entry or his missed entry was right here. He wanted to go off of this BPR. And yeah, he did not get filled. He did not get tapped in. So, no tap for Fearing. He was targeting this low. It ran straight to this low. And yeah, we actually didn't frame any trades today. It sucked. That was a pretty boring recap, honestly. What could I have done better? I'll go over the homework that I gave you guys too. Deviation 2-5, yeah, retracement, tap in. Yeah, there wasn't much. Okay, hold up. Do you guys have anything you guys want to go over inside of trading floor? Raw. EU. I can go over EU.
Yo, you should go over market structure shift and change instead of delivery. Like, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah.
Like
Chin save delivery.
difference between
Yeah, I'll go over the way I learned it. The way I learned it was inside of the 2-day workshop that ICT made. I'm gonna try finding a really quick example. If I can't, I'll just make one up. But I wanna, I have to be able to explain it. Okay, I think this is close enough. We run out this low. Do you see this down close candle from when we ran out this low? This isn't during New York session or anything, but this is probably the best example I have. We run out this low and we push up higher from it, and this down close candle that ran out the low, if we ran out low with the down close candle, the last one, we want to see the bodies respected, and that's a change in state of delivery. When we see the bodies respected. So, let me find a better example, because I was using it really frequently to frame a lot of my trades, but now I haven't really seen anything. I'm looking at the overall lows, which it's kind of hard to find them when you're looking for the reversals. But you should be able to find them whenever you sweep a high or a low. I wouldn't really call this one, even though this was a high that ran up this low. I just want to see it cleaner than this. But as long as you can see an order block that ran out the high, start being respected. Even if we didn't have a shift in market structure, for example, if... how do I make a good example? If we did not run out a low, but if we have an order block, pretend this is an up close candle, we have an order block right here, and the bodies start respecting it, then we push lower from that, that is changed to delivery, or the way I learned it. That's what I want to see happen on the daily, as you, hold up, as you can see right here, this is what framed my bias for the day, or for the week, I mean. This up close candle, we didn't run anything out in particular, but if we are going to reverse, which we push lower, I want to see the order blocks respect this area right here. The bodies need to respect this order block. I'm too tired, I'm sorry.
I got you. That's perfect.
Okay, perfect. Hopefully I can give better examples in the future. Whenever I see it form, I'll call it out. Right now, I mean, it obviously looks like we're bearish. It looks like we're going to be pushing lower from this south side of the curve. But, holy moly. That's crazy.
Just like sometimes I be getting the messed up a little bit.
Sorry, you could also just
Like
focus on
rarely
market
though. Like
structures.
today,
Hmm?
obviously.
Oh, yeah.
Or yeah, like early, yeah.
I want to be able to trade in worse conditions because, what was it? If we're able to frame trades
Yeah,
inside
today
conditions.
wasn't a
Yeah. I didn't really see much people taking trades, but we could still be better, even though there's no potential setups that I would have taken. If I keep studying, I think if as long as we keep learning something new every day, we will get somewhere. We will be able to get way further. For value gap, order block.
yeah, master the craft.
Exactly, master the craft. As long as you're learning something new every single day, you're gonna get so far. No. Okay. Let's go over the homework real quick, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys submitted it. I'll go over my own notes for it. So, hold up. I'm gonna go over the submissions real quick. Just homework turn in. I don't know what that is. People just show me that they watched it. I kind of want you guys to take notes on it. I'll show my notes that I gave. But the homework I gave was to watch episode 39 of the 2022 mentorship. So, okay, here it is. Let's open this. Okay, here is the. What is it called? 2022 mentorship, episode 39. So, this is overall notes to take. Watch your trades pan out, waiting for SMT, incorporate power of 3 into your SMTs. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution plus dealer swing, dealing range high and low. Oh, I gotta teach dealing ranges too. Okay, market breaks lower accumulation and tech sell side. Does this look familiar to you
Yeah,
guys? The
that's
ones that
basically
studied it.
what we had
Yeah.
at 8:30 to 9:30 with that Judas.
Mm-hmm.
Just made that turtle soup.
Okay, we clear stops. I want to see that real quick because he's talking about clearing stops or running out liquidity during lunch. Which I guess that makes sense. If we can run up this low right here during lunch. Is that Mr. Beast?
Fish.
I can't mute him.
Fish.
Well, it's over.
Don't start.
Hold on.
Don't. You're starting, and I'm not. Fish
Fine.
net.
It was facts. That's crazy. Okay. But here, stop rate during lunch. We had another stop rate during lunch, and we started pushing up higher because of it. We can't really frame a trade off of it, but if we're going by what this thing shows, in these conditions or conditions similar to this, we should be pushing up higher from it. Which, if the bodies, no, this isn't the one that swept it. No, bodies aren't sweeping it anymore. 441. Net opening price. Took a buy side. Oh, this is just the daily power of 3. That's not really anything too interesting. Man. Make SMT at the lows. I'm paired right now. My speech is off. I'm sorry. Yeah. What are you talking about?
Think we're gonna hit Friday lows.
Eventually, yeah. I'm really bearish overall.
Or honestly, it honestly could hit that tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Might make a turtle soup at the bottom too. That fair value yet?
Right,
That
right.
busy.
Are you thinking turtle soup? Because I forgot what my weekly analysis was. I don't know what's wrong with me right now.
That's
Yeah,
why I said, an outlook, a weekly outlook.
I forgot.
I don't think I was in there.
That makes sense. Okay, so if this can clear out the recap, I don't really think